Kenya Airways shareholders will be invited to participate in a new issue of equity owing to the change in the stake of ownership of some of its key stakeholders. The shareholders will be required to adopt the changes to the company's ownership structure in light of the move by the government to scale up its 29.8% ownership by converting its 23 billion shilling debt into equity. This means that the percentage of ownership held by smaller shareholders will reduce significantly. In view of this, the Kenya Airways board is advising shareholders and prospective investors to exercise caution when dealing in the securities of the company until further announcements are made on the status of the recapitalization of the balance sheet.